Hey Mallory, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and get started. The three things we'll cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content. And that's going to be anything that you can see here on your website. That does also include the pictures and as well as what your pictures are saved as. Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a home page. So I would suggest adding some more content to your site. And then you would want to integrate keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they are looking for your services. And that will absolutely help a lot. But that's really the only tip that I have for you as far as that is concerned. We'll go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is going to be citations. So I pulled up a quick search here for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories. And you would want to grab those listings for yourself. But you don't just want to stop there. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you would want to grab those, but then you would want to, double, triple, quadruple those. So you would want to get, 20, 30, 40 listings for your business. That way you are completely dominating them in that space, but it'll also help you to rank high in the maps here as well. So moving right along here to backlinks, and backlinks have to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided that they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to your site. But that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more powerful to Google because it is relevant to the industry that you're in. So I did pull up one of the tools that I used here and put your site into it, and it's not showing really any data for you right now. But I did also pull up one of your top competitors just to kind of give you a visual representation of what I'm speaking about. So it's showing they have 51 referring domains, which are giving them 168 backlinks, getting them found for 993 keywords, and that's driving about 87 people to their site per month. So let's see if I can pull up the keywords that they're using. So we'd be looking for buyer intent keywords. So anything that someone is going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service in your area. And we'll also pay attention to this volume column. This number represents how many times this particular word or phrase is being searched monthly. So let's see. So here's a perfect example of a buyer intent keyword, house cleaning, Lake City, Florida. So they're listing the industry and then they're listing the location that they're trying to target. So that's a great one. Cleaning services, Rock Springs, Wyoming. Let's see what else they have here. House cleaning, Amesbury, Massachusetts. So it looks like they're targeting a few different locations here, which is fine. And I won't bore you and go through all of these, but this does at least give you an idea of the kinds of things that you would want to get and work into that content. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And you want to continuously add on to that. So, double or triple whatever it is your competition has. That is not only going to help you get on that first page of Google, but it's going to make it to where your competition has a very difficult time even keeping up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you today. I hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business online, please do reach out to us because we would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for taking the time to watch this, and you have a great weekend.